Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra cash or maybe even start a fun side hustle if you enjoy working with your hand and love the smell of sawdust? Then carpentry might be yours answer. Today we are going to talk about some simple profitable carpentry projects you can make your and sell right from your own garbage or workshops. These are not super complicated and they don't require a ton of fancy tools. Let's dive in. First up, a real crowd players are small wooden shelves. Everyone needs more storage and custom shelves are always in demands. You can make simple floating shelves, some small display shelves for plants or neck knacks, or even entryway organizers with a few hooks. Use common lumber like pine or poplar. Keep your designs clean and offer different stain or paint options. They are quick to build and easy to ship over or deliver. Next, consider cutting boards or um, collector boards. These are incredibly popular, especially with foodies and for gifts. You can make them from a variety of hardwoods like maple, cherry, or walnuts. Start your with simpler design frames or single piece of wood and focus on a smooth finish and food safe oil. As you get more skilled, you can try combining different woods for beautiful patterns. People love unique handmade kitchens items. Moving on, let's talk about plant stand. With the rise of indoor gardening, decorative plant stands are a hot item. You can make simple sturdy ones out of or even reclaimed wood. Think about different heights and styles. A tall one of for a trailing plant or a short one for potted herbs. They are relatively quick to assemble and can be customized with paint or stain to match different homes decors. And other great options is small decorative boxes or crates. These are super versatile. People use them from storage or as a gift boxes or even as rustic decor. Things about different sizes: a small one for jewelry, a medium one for remote controls, or a larger one for blankets. You can easily add lids, hangers, or decorative handles to make them even more appealing. There are also great for using a smaller scrap of wood. And finally, something that's always in demand: pet accessories. Simple wooden dog bowl stands or a big hit. They are good for pet poster and keep eating areas tidy. You can also make small pets steps for elder or smaller animals to get onto furniture. Just make sure everything is sturdy and safe for furry friends. So where you can sell them these awesome creations? Well, you have lots of options. Make online marketplaces like Etsy are perfect for handmade goods. Local crafts fairs and farmers marketers are great for meeting customers in person. You could even approach local beauties and gift shops. Don't forget social media. Show off your work on Instagram or Facebook. Remember, start small, focus on quality, and don't be afraid to experiment with different design and finishes. The more you make, better you will get with a little bit of efforts and creativity. You carpenters. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.